Alright, good day mga ka-Access Grinders. Update lang tayo ngayon, ano. So unfortunately, for the past 2 days, few days, hindi tayo nakapag-update. But we were able to get some of the games and rewards, no. Pero meron 2 days na hindi rin ako uh, maglaro or nakakuha ng harvest kasi busy. So far, check mo before we start, punta muna tayo sa for the week. So ito yung nakuha natin ano na claimable for this week. 0.1257 AXS, and then na-harvest na natin itong claimable rewards for last week. So inad na rin natin ito sa available natin sa wallet. And then ito na siya. And then ito na yung final na during Wednesday. Ito na yung final natin na AXS 331.4827, and during that time at Wednesday ang halaga niya is $203.37. Now moving to current, so today update natin to sa January 3, 2025. So happy new year guys. So for AXS, so up siya by 0.85% within 24 hours. And ang current price niya ngayon is $7.05. And moving to our daily bounties. Under daily bounties, punta tayo sa standard board. So for standard board, okay na itong Atia, 10 points. Nakuha na natin yan. And Classic, 35 points. Nakuha na rin natin to. And also Origins, 35 points. Nakuha na natin to. So as you can see, Monday, Tuesday all good, pero hindi natin nakuha yung points during Wednesday and Thursday, busy nga. And then today, Friday, nakuha natin. So estimated earning 0.08 excess, and wala pa tayong ticket, no? Mukhang hindi natin makuha yung ticket for next week na access sa Premier. So moving to our Premier. So sa Premier board, isa lang yung nakuha natin, ano? Itong craft any rare or higher rune on Origins for 70 points. Nakuha natin to today. And as you can see here, same then, 89 points pa lang tayo for Premier for the whole week. Na may estimated earning ng 0.05 excess. Now moving to our staking. So for staking, ito, currently same pa rin, 31.4827 excess, and since yung price nga is tumaas, so naging 221,035 na. So yun na yung update natin for this year, so I mean for this new year. So yun lang, follow for more na lang.